We are in Pinball Hall of Fame Museum in Las Vegas, and we're gonna do unboxing for what she just picked all these from the claw machine. Let's see, what do we have? How many we have? Oh my goodness. She got so many balls and special gift as well. She picked them all. Wow. Okay, that's a special ball. She can pick a gift. Yeah, there you go. And what else? Yeah, remember the other video you will see she picked another big doll here. Let me see. Wow, that's cute doll here. Alright, sweet and sweet family. Energizer Joe's and Pinball Hall of Fame Museum in Las Vegas.